Screen recording software can be incredibly versatile, catering to a broad spectrum of needs across different fields. Here are some common situations and use cases where a screen recorder can be particularly useful. Sometime, you may need to record online video. Creating instructional videos. Recording own working processes. Recording online meeting, webinars, and presentations for record important content. However, how to record your computer screen smoothly. UkeySoft Screen Recorder is a professional screen recorder and audio recorder. The program is fully compatible with Windows and Mac computer. It can record any screen activity, online meetings, video calls, videos, gameplay, live streams, streaming music and more without lags. It also supports to capture the screen and webcam with audio and microphone, and taking HD screenshots easily. Let's teach you how to use UkeySoft Screen Recorder to record screen on Mac. Firstly, please launch UkeySoft Screen Recorder. You can see the program support recording in full screen, custom recording any area, recording app windows, recording camera and record audio only. Let's clicking full screen. Here you can setting input audio, or setting no audio recording, then click Rec button to start recording the full screen. During the recording process, you can pause or end the recording at any time. Clicking Ending button to end the recording process. Go back to the software's main interface, click Custom Area Recording Mode. Before recording, you can also set input audio and output video format. Clicking Rec button and dragging the mouse to customize the recording area, then clicking on the tick icon to start recording. You can end or pause the recording process at any time. You also can record any app windows easily. Please clicking App Windows Recording Mode, and then open an app or browser that you want a recording. Go back to UkeySoft Screen Recorder, and then click Rec button. The software will automatically detect the app's interface. Now, UkeySoft Screen Recorder start to record the app's windows smoothly. Clicking Ending button and the record video saved onto the computer.